Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I kind of came across some really awesome mukbangers and new friends that I've made here in the mukbang kind of ASMR community. And so I was browsing through some of their videos and I came across, and I believe it was Dine with Gina. I got you, girl. I think it was your channel, Dine with Gina, that she was doing the no burping challenge with, I believe it was ginger ale. So I'm not gonna go and get a liter right now, and there's just no way. I can tell you, like, right now, there's no way that I can do a liter and not burp. There's just no way I would get through it. I think it would be a little bit more challenging for me to get through a sparkling water. This is what I normally drink on a day-to-day basis. I don't really drink soda that much. I do, but I prefer to drink sparkling water because it gives me the little bubbles. Doesn't have any added, like, it doesn't have sodium, it doesn't have any sugar, it doesn't have any, so I still kind of get the soda kind of feeling. But yeah, don't let me ramble on too much. Anyways, guys, so let's get on with this challenge. I'm gonna make someone else do this video. I don't know who. I'm gonna pick. It's gonna be one of the girls I met today. I'm gonna put their info right here, and make sure you guys go check out their channel, show them some love, and let them know that you wanna see them do the no burping challenge. So let's get started, guys. This one's really cold. I won't drink these if they're not cold, but let's pop it open. All right, nice and bubbly, guys. So cheers. I don't drink beer, so I'm gonna say cheers with my mineral water, and let's see if we can get through this without burping. I'm gonna try my absolute best, okay? You know, this is really good, but I'm gonna drink it slow because, well, not that slow, because then my burps are going to build up. But yeah, see, it's free of all that goodness right there. So if you guys are looking for something to give you that bubble and not have all the extra added stuff, try this. This is so weird. I've never come on my channel just to drink something, but you know, yeah. So am I allowed to burp at the end? I think that would only be fair, right? I'm about, I don't know, maybe right here. All right, guys, almost. I'm sorry, guys, it was building up. Oh my God. I'm so sorry, it's just totally building up. I normally cannot drink these without burping, so, you know, oh my God. I almost made it to the bottom. It's legit, like, right here. Whew. Almost. Nope. I failed. I failed. All right. So yeah. That's kind of hard. That's really hard. I feel a lot of air up in here, but I know who I'm gonna nominate. I came across an amazing girl recently that is in the mukbang community. If you don't know who she is already, her name is Tosh Point Fro Eats. I'm gonna leave her information down in the description. Make sure you go and check her out. She's been absolutely amazing. Has introduced me to some amazing other YouTubers that are doing the same thing, just trying to do their thing on YouTube. Oh my god. I don't know if I'm gonna upload this because this is just disgusting. I do mukbangs here and there, obviously. You know, and an occasional burp will come out, but oh my god, like, my bad, guys. Excuse me in advance. But yeah, I met all the amazing YouTubers that I met today, specifically today, mukbangers, ASMR YouTubers, are because of Tosh Point Fro Eats. So I don't know if she'll do this challenge. I'm gonna nominate her to do this challenge, the no burping challenge. You can pick whatever you want, Tosh. I did a can of Ozarka sparkling lime water, lemon lime water. If you think you can handle a liter, by all means, go for it. I knew I couldn't, and I would just waste the whole thing. I don't want to like sit there and drink it all. But yeah, I hope you do this challenge. And if you guys aren't subscribed to her already, make sure you do. If you're not subscribed to me, make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit the little bell button as well. Don't miss my videos, and I will see you guys next time. Bye, guys.